Hello everyone, this is Keith Jackson and welcome to Jack's Math Notebook. In this video, we're going to learn how to simplify radical expressions with cubed roots. Now, don't run away from me now because I know it sounds hard, but I'm going to show you it's pretty easy once you take a look at these two big examples that we have for you. And so here's what we're going to do. We're going to find out this question, okay? What is the cubed root of 64? In other words, we're just looking for three of a kind, all right? So what number times itself three times will give me 64? And the way we can do that, we could just take 64 and we can like factor 64, not completely prime factor, only to the point where we can get three numbers that will come up to 64. And so let's take a look at that. And so we have 64 is equal to 4 times 16, and then we know that 16 is equal to 4 times 4. We can stop right here because we have our three of a kind, y'all. And so we know that 4 times 4 times 4 will give us 64. And 4 times 4 times 4 is the same as 4 to the third power. And therefore, the cubed root of 64 is 4 because it's just simply the number that is on the side of a cube, right? So we have this 4 right here, this side, this 4 right here on this side, and this 4 right here on this side. So a cubed root actually means we can just draw the cube and find out what those three numbers are, those three of a kind numbers are. And so in this case, the answer is 4. And let's take a look at the second big example in which we're going to ask, okay, what is the cubed root of 125? Again, we're looking for a three of a kind. And so let's take that 125, but we're going to factorize it, not completely, right? We're not going to prime factorize it, but I guess in this case we did. But all we want to do is factor 125 until we find three of a kind. And so we know that 125 is equal to 5 times 25. And we know that 25 is equal to 5 times 5. And guess what, y'all? We have our three of a kind right here, letting us know that 5 times 5 times 5 will give us 125. I can rewrite that as 5 to the third power. That lets us know that the cubed root of 125 is 5 because it is that number on the side of a cube, y'all. All right. So there we have it. You have been given quite a bit of important information. I wouldn't blame you if you need to pause the video to take a look at these two big examples or replay this video as many times you need to gain a deeper understanding of this concept. But in the meantime, please comment, share, like, and subscribe to Jack's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.